In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download AutoCAD drawings, DWG, and also AutoCAD blocks from this website right here, which is called cadblock.com, and import it into your CAD application. You can use AutoCAD, you can use any CAD application, you can use any 3D software that supports DWG. You can also use, for example, Adobe Illustrator because it supports this type of files. Now, this is the website here. It's called cadblock.com, and you can search a particular file that you are looking for, or you can scroll down here. You will see all the pages of this database. And also you can go here on the right and you can select what you are looking for. For example, let's say I'm looking for architecture stuff. So I'm looking here to different blocks and drawings. Now, when I am interested in something, for example, this classical sculpture here, I just need to see if there is a price. If there is not any price above, that's gonna mean that this is totally free. So for example, this one, it's $6, and this one here is completely free. So if I click here, I can download these blocks and vector graphics, basically, and I can use it in any software that supports vector graphics. Now, I don't need to do anything else. I don't need to register. I don't need to unzip. You can see here directly the DWG file. There it is. So now I can just use it in AutoCAD. Now, before we get into AutoCAD really quick, now I also want to suggest, if you are, for example, if you work in creating drawings, you are engineer, or perhaps just someone who likes to draw in vector graphics in AutoCAD, you can also upload your files here, and you have to create an account, and I think that you can also sell them. So just contact the support here on the website, create your account, and then you can maybe also become part of this portal, of this platform.